for tonight. Happy New Year! Greetings coming from the management and staff of the PRCI Incorporated. May bukas pa, past to begin, followed by Ideal View. Senior Bon Racing Oriel outside by the rail is Dr. Choice. It's now May bukas pa, followed by Ideal View, Senior Bon Newsmaker, Dr. Choice Racing in fifth by the rail, Slingshot Effect, Sexy Eyes, and Oriel outside Loretta, Dugus favorite. Rounding the far turn, May bukas pa by half a length, followed by Senior Bon. And Oriel outside is Ideal View. And on the far turn, May bukas pa, Senior Bon. Is Oriel outside Ideal View, Newsmaker. As they race off on the corner, Senior Bon at the center. May bukas pa down on the inside, fighting back. May bukas pa, Senior Bon, Ideal View. May bukas pa, Senior Bon. May bukas pa, Senior Bon on the outside. Senior Bon. Ideal View, and finally it's going to be Senior Bon. May bukas pa, Ideal View, Lucky Lorky, Dr. Choice, Newsmaker, close with Sexy Eyes for your Super